Okay, kids, and welcome to DTW Tutorials Junior. Welcome. Okay, in today's video, I'm going to be teaching you on changing mixed fractions now to improper fractions. Okay, please, if you haven't watched the video of changing improper fraction to mixed fraction, please do kindly watch that video. Okay, because I introduced what mixed fraction is, what improper fraction is, what proper fractions are. Okay, so now we have to change improper now back to we have to change mixed fractions now. This is a mixed fraction back to what? Improper fraction. And how do we do this? Okay, stay with me closely, all right? So what you do is you first of all put your division sign, all right? It will always be 3. The denominator will remain the same as 3, okay? And then our numerator will now be 3 times 2. What is 3 times 2? That is 6, right? Then you add 6 to 1, and that will give you 7. Do you see that? You do 3 times 2, then plus 1. So that would be 6 plus 1 over 3, which would be what? 7 over 3. Do you see that? Okay, let's do this one together again. You draw your division sign, it will still be 5. Your denominator will still be 5. You do 5 times 3 plus 2. So that will give you 5 times 3 is 15. 15 plus 2. What will 15 plus 2 be? That will be 17. So we have 17 over 5. So this is the improper fractions we've changed to. Now you might be wondering, why do you need this? You need this because when you want to start adding, doing addition or subtraction of mixed, fractions, you first of all have to convert your mixed fraction to improper fraction before you can now go further to add. Okay, that's why the knowledge of you knowing how to change your mixed fraction and improper fraction is very important. Are you with me? Even in word problems, fraction word problems, you always have to convert your mixed fraction to improper fraction first before you can solve. All right, that's the importance. Okay, now let us do this. So we draw our division sign, we put our denominator as 9, then we do 9 times 5 plus 1. Do you see that? And we draw our division sign 9. And what is 9 times 5? That is what? 45. Then plus 1. What would that give you? 46 over 9. Do you see that? Let us do this. So we draw our division sign. We put 8 as our denominator. We do 8 times 7. 8 times 7 in parentheses, close the parentheses, plus 5. And what is 8 times 7? That will give us what? 56. Then plus 5. When we add 56 plus 5, what do we get? We get 61 over 8. Do you see that? Let's do for number 5. So you have here 11, which will be our denominator. So 11 times 6, then plus 4. And that will give us what? What is 11 times 6? That's 66. Remember, we put our 11 here, then plus 4. And what is 66 plus 4? That will give us 70 over 11. Do you see that? I'm sure this is quite easy and straightforward, right? Than changing improper fraction to mixed fraction. Okay, so I'll leave this two for you to do, to practice. Do it as your classwork now. And don't forget, you can get the DTW Common Entrance, that's your primary 5, 6, 4 app to practice more. Okay, and it will give you questions from your common entrance examination, past questions. It will bring it out. All right, so you can search, you can use the question search feature, search out mixed fractions to improper fractions, and it will bring out all those questions and you can practice. And after you practice, you see the solutions, just to correct you if you're wrong. Okay, apart from it having just maths subject, it has other subjects. You can see your verbal, your quantitative, your social studies, your basic science. Okay, and with their correct solutions. All right, it has over 4,000 past questions and answers there for you. All right, so if you want online tutoring, mommy and daddy, you need online tutoring for your child, you can contact me. This is my details. All right, and don't forget to please subscribe to this YouTube channel and share with your colleagues, daddy and mommy, share with your family members, for their kids to have, good maths education. All right, so finally, kids, don't forget that Jesus loves you. Okay, please do honor mommy and daddy. All right, all right, they love you, honor them, obey them, be good to your siblings. All right, and God always answers prayers. So you pray, especially your prayers as kids. Pray for mommy and daddy. Okay, pray for anything you desire, and the Lord will do it for you. Okay, don't forget, if you are having any issues, bullying in school, please do tell mommy and daddy. They will always protect you and defend you. All right, don't be scared. Tell mommy and daddy about it. Even if the person threatens you, oh, I will beat you if you tell mommy and daddy, they will protect you. Okay? So you are destined to win. You are a champion. You are a star. Don't forget this. You are a star. Even if someone is calling you otherwise, it is not you. Say it is not for me. I am a champion. I am a star. Speak up. Okay? You are a star and champion. All right, kids. See you in our next video.